so guys, she is afraid to do this. He's going to be coming around in a couple of seconds.
I never rode a motorbike before.
But let's do a science experiment out here. So, this is how tall I am. This is how tall she is.
Tall?
She is
11.
She is in 6th grade. Look down there, guys. That's what she wants to ride. But she can't. But I can ride it. I'm scared too. I can ride it though. Okay, she's ready. Alright, guys. So we'll let her get on and I'll see you. Alright, so guys, we're teaching her step freaking one. Step freaking one. Wow. She wants to ride this thing.
No.
Y'all saw the science comparison.
She's not riding it.
But
you can tell her right now.
She's not riding it because we can't let her. She might even weigh down, guys. So, I'm sorry I ruined all the fun for y'all. Alright, so, bye guys.